Okay, Dukewheatly here, and we're back with part 2 of our little intro here. We're going to fool around with the travel site like we were going to use it for Alien, but primarily I just want to show you how to work with the pasteboard and also let you see kind of what you'll be working with. Over here is this is like our site map of our different pages, and we have index naturally, which is you always have to have an index file. And if we want to use our master page, this is the only page that we could alter this on, because all of these pages use the same master page. So let's double click on here, or click on our master page, double click it, and now this is the master page, and we can change all this type of stuff. We could change the wording in here. We can drag this over a little bit. We could turn it. We can go up here and turn it if we'd like. Now, one thing to watch here is don't ever pull anything down below the bottom of your master page, because if you do, invariably it'll be something small like a period or something, and when you go ahead and output these files, it will scroll forever down to the bottom. It will never stop. And then as soon as it does that, you know what you did, but it'll, like I say, generally be something small. So what you'll have to do is go down here and then click and drag large areas until one of them hits this thing, and then pulls up the drag handles and stuff, and then you can see what you got and go ahead and either delete it or pull it up above here. So that's one thing that you generally do starting out, and you'll never do again. So be very careful when you're using this pasteboard. So we can go ahead, and if we want to, we can change the lettering in here, and we'll change this to morbid humor, and it exceeds the length of this, so all we have to do is pull this out and we can read that. And if we'd like, we can pull up our assets down here. These are our extras here, and we want assets. We got a how-to. It answers a lot of your questions very thoroughly, and we have textiles, quick build, and quick build would be little things you can add to your site. Assets, we can open up pictures. Let's try pictures here, and let's browse, and let's go through these here, and we got a butterfly here. Let's double click on the butterfly. Actually, we'll just drag the butterfly over, and let's close this out, and here we have the butterfly. Now we can also open up web art photo, and we could remove the background from this, or we could do it in GIMP. But let's just pull this over now. Since it's in our assets, we can pull it over here, and you can see that it's quite large. So all we do is go down to the diagonal here and make it smaller. And if we wanted to use this, of course, we would want to remove all this background. But anyway, you can see when you open up assets, we'll just delete that. And you've got buttons, pictures, backgrounds, most anything that you could imagine. So that concludes this section, and we're going to come back, and then we're going to start from scratch and do our Alien newsletter and put a header in and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this one, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.